Hi, this is my 7th video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the amendment of tax returns and penalties for inaccurate tax return. If a person has submitted tax return, an individual can amend the tax return within 1 year of the submission date. For example, if a person has submitted 2016-17 tax return by 31st January 2018, that individual can amend his return by 31st January 2019. However, HMRC can only amend the tax return within 9 months from the date the person has submitted the return. There are various penalties if a person submits an inaccurate tax return. The penalties of inaccuracy depends upon either the inquiry initiated by the HMRC or if a person has actually notified without the inquiry was read from the HMRC. So we call this as unprompted disclosure or prompted disclosure. So which means unprompted disclosure means if a person or the taxpayer himself notified to the HMRC about his inaccuracy. In all other cases, the disclosures are called as prompted disclosures. The level of the penalties depend upon the behavior of the individual. For example, if the inaccuracy was due to the carelessness, for example, the individual has not taken care of in order while preparing his tax return, the penalty can be 15% to 100%. But if the carelessness was due to unprompted disclosure, the penalty can reduce to 0%. The other behavior is deliberate but not concealed. This means that the taxpayer had deliberately made an error in the tax return, but when the HMRC had initiated the inquiry or he himself notified to the HMRC, then he completely cooperated with the HMRC, that he has produced all the documents, all the records to the HMRC. In that case, the penalty will reduce by 50%. The third category of the behavior is deliberate and concealed, which means upon the inquiry notice from the HMRC, the taxpayer not only had made deliberate errors, but he also concealed that he is not actually cooperating with the HMRC officers in order to give true and accurate picture of their accounts or accounting records. In that case, the penalties will be 100% of tax, whatever the tax lost revenue, which means if the additional tax upon this inquiry say £1,000, the penalty will also be £1,000. I hope this video will help you in understanding when and how a person can amend the tax returns and how the penalties can be imposed by the HMRC if there are any errors. We have had numerous of our clients who have made some errors in the tax return, and we have not only represented those clients with the HMRC, but we try to reduce the penalties to 0. So if you are in such a situation, please contact us on the number provided in the video, and we are more than happy to